Diverse Culture. We're here at Grab Beans Driver School. I know you all been looking at our relocation integration program and asking, what do we provide? Well, this is one of the things that we provide. Driver's lessons, so when you integrate into Kenya, you absolutely know how to move around. And another thing people don't take in consideration is Uber. It becomes expensive after a while, and we want to make sure that you're saving money when you're integrating here in Kenya. Come on. We're here to get some information to share with you all as we are partnering with several driver school here, but we're starting today at Grab Beans, and I'm going to go ahead and start asking some questions just for you. We're going to be coming in from the U.S. Typically, people's concern is, will I be able to use my driver's license to do a refresher course? Is that possible? How long does it typically take to get a driver's license? 2 months. Right. What is the age limit to start driving here in Kenya? We'll be providing all of the tuition information, which will be a part of your integration process and package, where you do not have to pay the school directly. We will pay the school on behalf of you. But these are some great prices, by the way. So thank you for that. My last question is, okay, so now I'm driving and I have my driver's license, and if I get a violation, what happens with your license? Do you get points taken off from your license if there's a violation? Say, for instance, you get in a car accident, or you run the red light and you get a ticket from the police, it goes to court. I'm not sure if it's the same way in the States. I was just asking some questions about certain things we need to know when we're moving to Kenya, and what we'll be offering through the driver's lessons through our partners, Grab Beans Driver School. So one of the things that she informed me on is violations. I want to say that first because we don't want to be going into other people's countries and violating the law. For Traverse Culture, we always want to comply with the Kenyan law. So in order for you to be in compliance with the Kenyan law, you must first have a permit, which we apply for that for you. Even if you have a driver's license from the United States or international driver's license, you could do the refresher, but you still have to do the test, the exam, and all of those things before you can get a license, correct? Yes, and so again, we will walk you step by step through the process as we operate on behalf of you with the partner for the driver's courses. Another thing is just making sure that you understand, if you violate any of the Kenyan driver laws, there's a possibility that you could be banned from driving. So this is why taking these courses is imperative, so that you will know the different laws, the signs, the roundabouts that you can't take. If you possibly hit someone or an accident, you know the precaution that you need to take and the consequences. So those are always important, and that's why this is very important for you to do while you're integrating. So this is the theory part of the driver's course, and I am here with Mr. Stephen, who is going to explain how this all works, especially for me, because I have to get you up in this area, so I'm gonna turn it over to Mr. Stephen.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
This is a model town board, and a model town board consists of features and road networks in Kenya. So the first common feature we have here is the roundabout.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
Then we have also the parking area.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. We have the entrance, we have the exit. Mm-hmm. We have the entrance, we have the exit. Mm-hmm. We also have another feature here. These ones, the green patches, these ones we call them government buildings.
Right.
Okay? Mm-hmm. We also have the center part here. These ones are called Central Reserve.
Right.
Okay.
Time out.
Yes.
Now y'all know I've been driving here,
yes,
and this is even for me,
yes,
to learn the proper way to drive according to the Kenyan laws.
Yes.
All right. So why is this one? The only one car can go here?
Yes, only one vehicle. This means the only time if you find yourself here, it means you're going 0 straight.
So whenever I'm coming from this lane, I either go this lane or this lane, and it's a bunch of traffic.
Yes.
It's a whole bunch of daggone cars all over the place.
Yes.
All over the place, right? Let me just show you
Yes.
where I'd be having a problem.
Yes.
I just say, this is my car. I'm coming here.
Yes.
Now, I know now you say, wait. This car, I can go on this lane.
Yes. No.
Okay.
This one.
All right.
You have 2 options. You either go left or you go 0 straight. But
Oh.
if you want to come here, you have to change your lane. So you choose your lane before you reach the roundabout. So the only option you have to come here is lane 3.
I've been doing that all along.
We'll provide.
All right, so I just finished the theory part of the course, and now I'm about to go to the practical. As I said before, y'all, we want to make sure that we're in compliance with the Kenyan law in regards to driving. And when we're integrating you to Kenya, we also want to cut your costs. So, getting your driver's license, being able to drive here legally, possibly purchasing a car or renting a car is definitely something you want to look at as opposed to taking Ubers or Lyfts or boaters, because over time that adds up. So we got you when it comes to driving legally here in Kenya. All right, so we're about to go do the practical part of the driver's course, and that is the actual driving. We're gonna have an instructor. The instructor is gonna tell us which turns we can take, what we're supposed to do, what we're not supposed to do, and we want you guys to see this firsthand, so come on. Now I'm here for the practical part of the driver's course with Grab Beans Driving School. And as I said before, driving here is quite different because the steering wheel is on the right-hand side and you're driving on the left. So in order for you to feel secure and confident with your driving, we suggest and we offer driver's licenses course, and your permit and everything through our partner. So follow me, join me as I do the practical part.
Welcome to Kenya.
All right, asante sana. All right, so what have we learned today? Kenya do have laws in terms of driving. And one of the things that I learned just today is where I was having some problems is those roundabouts and which lane you should use and watching the signs on the road. I would joke about it like, oh, they don't have any laws, but they do have laws to prevent you from, one, being arrested or getting a ticket, or possibly create an accident where someone will get hurt or everyone involved get hurt. So what we always want to do is be preventive, always want to comply with Kenyan law, whether it's driving, whether it's immigration, whether it's creating situations where you learn about the social awareness here, justice system here, all of those things. 120-day relocation integration program right here in Nairobi, Kenya, right with